Well, good morning, sports fans. I haven't posted anything in a couple of weeks now. We've been doing some work around here, and also waiting for the fence people to come and put our fence in. If you watched several months ago, we did an episode where they came and took some trees out, some stumps. I think they removed 5 stumps from the property in preparing to put the fence in. Well, it's been at least 8 weeks. Finally supposed to come today. I just got a call. They're held up with traffic with an accident, so it could be a little late. But that's why it's mainly the work I've had to do around here. I haven't been posting the last 2 weeks. If you look behind me here, these pedestals, went ahead and removed the wood bars that were across those, and you can see where we patched that in, and that's going to be fenced in now, and that'll be a small fence there. Over here, we have removed the fence that was here, an old wooden one that was worthless. It was in more in pieces than anything else. And the neighbor had to take out all kinds of vegetation down there, and we had to move a couple trees. And we got a fence going along here. It'll be privacy fence. That's the big 6-footers to the end of the house here, and then it goes down to 4 foot. 4 foot here by the lake, or by the Gulf. Here on the other side, see this fence ends here. Got this big 6-footer here, and then it ends. But we're going to continue this down to the end of the property where the house ends there, and then we're going to put a gate in. And that would be Buddy that you hear there. Buddy gets a little upset about this stuff, but that's kind of what we're doing here. The fence goes up to the edge of the shed here. Comes out from the shed here, probably about 20 inches, 24 inches here. This way, and then down. Down at that end, there'll be a gate down there, which will give us all privacy along through here. Jason and Joshua. That's Joshua over there unloading. Okay, this marks a property line. I believe this is what you would say it would be the north side. And as you can see here, it misses the corner of my garage there by 6-8 inches. As that string goes down, you see it just misses the edge of his garage down there by even less. So we're both very, very close to being on each other's property there. I don't think anybody really cares. But if you look at the pylons down there for the dock, that appears to be on my side, but I could care less really. Here's a view from the other side. can see this line stretching out. And as it gets up to my garage, or my, right there at the shed, there's about 24 inches. At the end of the garage, maybe 8, 9, and the corner of his garage, maybe 4 to 6 inches off the line. So that's why we're putting the fence. That no parking sign just pulls right out of the ground. That sign. Now, as I understand it, by the words being spoken here that I have not recorded, this part of the job got a little hairy, a little difficult. It was a pain in the rear. So we cut out some of the audio, but the guys, like usual, did a great job. Very happy with it. Well, this is the end product. This is a long street in the parking area. It's the garage and shed. And there's the new fence. Personally, very, very pleased with it. Now the problem is we got to grow some grass. And then next year, a lot of landscaping needs to be done. Neighbor's got his hands full over there too. We are now completely fenced in with the exception of the main entryway off the parking lot. There is no gate or anything on that. Now here I bought a piece of lattice and a mounting strip, and I will mount I'll cut this lattice and I'll mount it here to close this little section off here too. That'll totally enclose the yard except for this entryway right here. And this gate here allows us to get between the two sheds. Part of that property is mine. And there is some storage over there. I have some ladders and so forth stored there. So that's it. Pretty much got her done. Thanks for watching. I need all the support on this channel I can get. So put a like down. Thank you.